What's up, guys? Yeah, welcome back to my channel, Ebonystyle. So, guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a jumbo braid style. They call it jumbo braid. They call it African coin. So, guys, just make sure you watch till the end, from beginning to the end. You are my African queen. You know that style. Okay, now let's go. So now, guys, I'm going to divide my hair into two. Like, I'm going to give it a pattern, like a straight line at the middle, a straight line at the middle. So that's what you are seeing right now on your screen. So I'm using the mirror to just see how I part the hair, maybe straight or not. And if it's not straight, I'll just go back and part it. So now about the first part, and this part I'm going to divide it, this part, like I are seeing, I'm going to divide it into two again, like you can see. And I'll still use a mirror to look at it, maybe it's well parted or not. So you can use a mirror. If you want to do this hair yourself, just use a mirror just to see it, maybe is well parted. So now, guys, I'm going to fold one part of the, I've divided into two again, so I'm going to divide one part, and this first part I'm going to divide it into two. Like, I did not divide it into two equal parts though. The back side is much than this front side, so I first divide it into two, like you're seeing now on your screen, and then I will band the back, the remaining one, like the way you're seeing me do it on the screen, guys. And the second one that I've band, I'm going to divide it into two equal parts. So, and I'm going to follow the line I first parted at first, so that it will be straight. So that's the essence of parting the first one before this one. And then I'll use rubber band to hold it down so that it won't scatter. So I'll just go ahead and use my eco gel. You can use any gel that you want, but anything is convenient for you that you have, I always say it. So now I'm going for my eco gel. I'll apply it on the hair, then I'll use a rubber band, this small rubber band, this black rubber band, this thick rubber band. I think guys know those rubber band. So guys, I'm going to use that rubber band to hold it, and then I still went ahead and make sure that this hair is well parted, that I just make sure the hair is very straight though, and then I comb it well, and then I use the rubber band, this black rubber band, to hold it down. Like, if you want to do this hair, just make sure that your hair is not due for relaxing, or you just relax the hair, and anyhow make sure your hair is there's still a little part of your relaxer on it. Like, I don't even know what I'm saying. Just make sure your hair is relaxed before, so that it's going to give us this charming look. So guys, I gel the second part too, and then I left my edges. I really love those edges. Anything I'm doing, I always leave that edges. So guys, I use the rubber band to hold the hair down, like the former one. And this the first line I divided, I'm going to, that it remains small at the back, so I'll also divide that one too. I'll divide it into two again. I did not divide it into two equal parts like the second side, so the remaining one I'll divide it into two again. I just do it in this way so that it will be very easy for me to cut to part. It was very easy for me to part. So then I gelled it, and then I put the rubber band again, like the way you are seeing it on the screen. So I just need to turn back so that I will show you guys the actual way I did it. So the one at the back again, I gave it I gelled it, and then I used a rubber band to hold it down, and I also gelled the other side, and then I used a rubber band to also hold it down, like the way you are seeing me doing it on the screen right now. So guys, I comb it to make sure it's well combed before you use rubber band to back it, so that when you are weaving it, it will be very easy for you to do. So you can see the way I did it. So the way I part the side, I'm going to do it for the second side also. The exact way I did this first side, I'm going to do it for this other side. So, and you can see the way it turns out to be. You can see how well parted I did it. Actually, this video, it paid me. I thought I was doing the video. I don't know, I did not do the video. All this one I did at first. I did not know I did not do the video. Like, thank God. I still have some air left before I just look at my camera. What the fuck? I wasn't even doing the video. So guys, but I still have some air left. So I'm going to just teach you guys how I did it. So guys, I divide the attachment. You know the normal way we always braid right from the start. It's not test braid, the normal braid. That's the way I did it. So I divide the hair into 3, and then I pick the hair and I braid it down. I braid it like 3 to 5 times before I twist it and I started running it. Like you can see now, I picked the hair, divide into 3, and then I braid it like 4, 5 to 6 times. You can see, and then I'll twist it. Like where I stop braiding, I twist the mouth, and then I roll it. I started rolling it. Like I want to do this this hairstyle that they call, is it only do or don't even know. So that's the way I did it. I start ramping right from the down part. I did not roll on top. I rolled right from the down part, so it will be going up gradually. So now I divide the hair into 3. I braid like 4 to 5, 6 times, and then I twist the hair from where I stop braiding, and then I start rolling. You can see. So guys, that's how I did everything. You can see how I did everything. So guys, this is when I was done with my hair. You can see how beautiful and perfect it looks. So now I just added mousse. This mousse spray I added. Some people don't know the essence of using mousse. Like seriously, it gives it a shiny and lasting look. That's the essence. And this spray oil, I also put spray oil on it. Spray oil give, like if the hair is paining you, like if somebody make it and is paining the person, you can actually add a spray oil. It's going to reduce the pain of the hair. That's what some people don't know. And it also give it a shiny look. So this is what I was done, and then I did my edges. Hey, this time I've bath. I use earring, have boy cloth almost. Hey, I'm going out with this hair. So guys, this is when I was laying my edges. Almost see beauty, see fine girl. Oh wow. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, and share it to your other friend. Like, you see how beautiful I'm looking, you see how simple it is. So I see you guys in my next video.